Hey everybody, this is Parrish, Stanton, and this is part of our Wills 101 series where we're going to educate you on everything there is to know about a will. Now, we have discussed that a will is a document that disposes of your property at your death, but what we haven't covered is perhaps the most important, and that is what a will does not cover. And there are certain types of property that a will doesn't cover. For example, any property that has a beneficiary listed is going to be covered by that document and not by your will. For example, your insurance policies. When you created your insurance policy, you had to list a beneficiary or multiple beneficiaries, or maybe even a contingent beneficiary as well. And in those circumstances, those are the documents that will govern those assets. So if in your will you say, give everything to my brother, but in your insurance document it has listed your sister is going to get the beneficiary to be the beneficiary of your insurance policy, and it's not going to be covered by the will. Your brother is not going to get those insurance proceeds. Same thing with your retirement accounts. You're going to list a beneficiary. Your sister's going to get that money and not your brother. So it's very important when you're doing your estate planning to know what your will covers and what your will doesn't. Another thing your will not cover is jointly held assets. If you have a bank account held jointly with another person, or real estate where the deed is jointly held with someone else, those documents may trump whatever you have to say in your will. If you own a business and you have a partnership agreement or a corporate agreement that lists how your shares or your ownership is to be held, those documents are going to be able to trump your will. So when you sit down to do your estate planning, please remember that a will can be a very powerful document, but there are other documents just as important as your will for disposing of your property. Now listen, this is general information. All clients are like snowflakes. Their situations are always different. So give us a call when you're ready, and we'll sit down and tailor an estate planning plan, an estate plan just for you.